Yo, Aaron here, and welcome to my guitar lesson on how to play 3 songs with just
1 chord.
You heard it right, 1 chord. The first one's by Eric Clapton. It's called Get Ready, and it goes like this. Ready, get ready, ready. He's a man who's gonna break your ready. Get ready, and on it goes. That chord is A minor. Let's get zoomed in. So how do we play this A minor chord in Get Ready? Well, we've got to sort the fretting hand out first of all. So let's take the fretting hand first finger and place it on the first fret of our B string. The fretting hand second finger goes on the second fret of our D string, and the fretting hand third finger goes on the second fret of our G string. Now, there are only 5 strings that are required to make the sound for this chord. So we need to mute the low E string, all right? And the way we're going to do that is with our fretting hand thumb. We rest the thumb gently on the low E string without pressing it down like this. We simply just rest it there, all right? We should just feel it touching the bottom of our thumb, that low E string, all right? And then we simply strum. That's what it should sound like. We should have 5 clear notes. And the groove goes like this. And that's how you play the A minor chord in Get Ready. Our next song is by Creedence Clearwater Revival. It's called Keep on Chooglin, and it goes like this. Keep on chooglin, keep on chooglin, keep on chooglin, chooglin, chooglin. You heard me right, chooglin. Who knows? The chord is E major, and it goes like this. Let's get zoomed in. How do we form E major? We take the first finger of the fretting hand and place it on the first fret of the G string. We take the second finger of the fretting hand and place it on the second fret of the A string. And then the third finger of the fretting hand goes on the second fret of the D string. And this time we're going to strum all of the strings. And what you might actually notice is if you learned the chord in the first song in this video, A minor, it's simply, to get to A minor from here, you can just move all those fingers down 1 string. And then back to E major, you can move them back up 1 string. E major, A minor, E major, A minor. As for the groove in this song, Keep on Chooglin, it's going to sound something like this. And what I'm actually doing there is I'm roughly aiming to strum the 3 bass notes, the E, A and D strings, and then I'm kind of strumming the 3 higher notes after that. So it's kind of bass, high, bass, high, bass, high, bass, high. And that gives you kind of a rough groove that the song has. And that's how you play the 1 chord in Keep on Chooglin. Our final song for this video is by the Beatles, and it's called Tomorrow Never Knows. And it goes like this. Turn off your mind, relax and float downstream. It is not dying. It is not dying. That is a C7 chord. Let's get zoomed in. So the chord in this song is a C7 chord. Admittedly, a little bit more difficult than the other 2 in this video, but hey, everyone likes a bit of a challenge, and since it's 1 chord for the whole song, once you've got it, you can hold it and play along for the whole song. So how do we do a C7? Well, we take the first finger of the fretting hand and we place it on the first fret of the B string. We take the second finger of the fretting hand and place it on the second fret of the D string. The third finger of the fretting hand goes on the third fret of the A string, and then the pinky goes on the third of the G string. And again, this may feel like a little bit of a stretch. If you are really struggling to actually get the shape, what I'd recommend is trying a capo, maybe somewhere around the 5th fret, and doing the shape there, okay? Just bear in mind that you won't actually be able to play along with the track. So once you've got your C7 chord, you're only going to want to strum 5 strings. The string you want to avoid is the low E string, and you can simply mute that with the tip of this third finger. Again, this C7 chord is a little bit more of a challenge, so don't be surprised if you don't get it straight away, but hey, we need to do a bit of a progression somewhere, don't we? And the groove for this song is quite simple. It goes... And the groove for this is fairly simple. It's similar to the last one, where we separate the bass notes from the treble notes. So the first 2 notes I strum are the A and D string, and the next 3 notes are the G, B and high E strings. So it sounds kind of like this. And that's how we play the chord in Tomorrow Never Knows. Hope you had some fun with those songs, and if you do want some more, check out the stuff in the old boxes here. And I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching, bye.